Hey guys, this is FM Viktor Neustroev. Today I would like to observe this all-in-one wooden chess set from Stoies. First of all, I'm really happy with the board. You see, there is a velvet bag to carry and protect it from any damages or dirt. The board is wooden and smooth and look really nice. Moreover, chess pieces and the clock can be hidden inside it. Now let's take a look at the pieces. This is an ordinary wooden chess set. The handy feature is that each piece can be well placed here separately, so you protect them from break and from any damage. Later I'm also going to demonstrate how to play blitz with this chess set. And now what I'm really surprised with digital chess clock. I think this chess set is worth buying at least because of this digital clock. You see, it has three modes: basic with no increment, bonus with Fisher's increment, and delay, a so-called Bronstein time control, when instead of adding time to your clock after the move, clock ticking is delayed for a few seconds. Such a time control is popular in the United States and is recommended by Garry Kasparov. However, it hasn't been played at FIDE tournaments. Generally speaking, I am satisfied with this all-in-one chess set from Stoies. It can be used to play with friends or family or at chess schools to teach kids. You can even conduct some local tournaments with this chess set and this digital clock. That was Video Master Viktor Neustroev, and thank you for your attention. So, to be able to demonstrate how this chess set perfectly works with this digital chess, we are going to play a blitz game with my daughter. The time control is 3+2 with 2 seconds increment. The game starts. I will be playing without the queen. Checkmate. Okay, now you see. So we played blitz, the pieces move okay, and the most part of this chess set is this clock, which can be used in tournaments games as well as during trainings. So I recommend you this Stoies all-in-one wooden chess set.